Hello guys, welcome back to Help for Code eLearning. So what is the use of ID function? This is one of the very simple function guys. And ID function is used to return the address. Okay. ID function. If I talk about this function used to return the address of variable, right? So let me check here. ID function used to return the address of variable. So what I can do exactly, I'm just going to provide some value, random value like n1. I'm providing a value like integer. Then the name, I'm providing the value like string, something like Prashant. And similarly, if I'm going to take the CGPA, something like I'm taking like 7.5. Okay, so we are taking a different values. Okay, fine. So just understand, if I'm going to provide the print function, inside the print function using the id function you can return the address. So I just want to return the address of n1. Similarly, I just want to use print, and again I'm going to use id function. This time I want to return the address of name variable. Then print function id, this time I just want to return the CGPA. Okay, spelling is wrong. Fine. uh but yeah, we can try. And when we are going to run here, so understand guys, this id function will return the address of n1, the address of name, the address of CGPA. Okay, this will be a random address because everyone is having a different configuration system. I'm talking about the computer guys, laptops. So you have a different configuration. So definitely at runtime environment, you will get the different output. But ultimately, you are going to receive the address, okay, in your terminal. So this is what we have done, and this is the use of ID function. Thank you very much. Because why I'm teaching you this, guys, because this will help you in the next we can say that in the next lecture, when you're going to watch the next lecture, this ID function will help you to understand that one also. For right now, it is okay. Thank you very much.